Hey, Scott here with another video for you about a Husqvarna lawn tractor. This one is just a broken cable. The cable that engages the blades down on the deck just wore out and broke, and we're going to get to replacing that. So here you go. Alright, so today in the shop here we've got the Husqvarna YTH2242. The owner said that the lever on the top here for engaging the blade just went slack on them, and if you see here, that's true, there's hardly any tension whatsoever. And what happened was that the cable underneath here, this cable right here, that goes down to the deck there, it broke, and it broke down below. So we're going to replace that. And the first thing we're going to do is start up here and show you what's under the hood. It's more specifically under the dashboard. So you'll see here this cable, it's loose because it's broken down below. And it's just attached right here. This spring actually is what holds it on. There's a washer. And how we can easily take that off is we're going to just pull on this spring on this end. And we're going to try, see, it just comes off there, and there's a washer. Just make sure you don't drop that, and then that cable comes off of that pin. So then we'll go over here, and we're going to reach in here with the pliers. We're going to pinch the back side of this cable and pull it out of this hole. So let me go get the pliers. Okay, let me see if I can do this while holding the camera. Just going to pinch this back side. Alright, well, I can't seem to do it with just one hand, so I'm going to put this down and do it with two. Okay, so I got it real quickly. You'll see what's going on. I had to pinch those two things to get it to release from that hole. So basically now we've got the cable loose, and we'll cut a couple of ties holding it together, and we'll pull the deck out and show you what's going on by the deck. Alright, to remove the deck on this one, I'm going to reach up here, pull that pin, that washer. We can do that. We're also going to get up here and release the belt. Oops, sorry about that. And then we're going to pull this pin. And remove that. And we got to pull this pin. And now we'll go on the other side and do the other side. Alright, on this side, pull that pin. And pull this pin. And the deck is free. So we're going to push it out now on the other side. Alright, so this is what we're looking at as far as the cable goes. The cable broke down here. It's supposed to go to this spring right here. So we'll take that off of there. Here's another place where we get to pinch and remove. Oop, almost had it. There we go. So there's the broken cable. And there's the new cable. What we're going to do is we're going to clean the gunk off of this deck and we'll install a new cable. Alright, so here we are with the deck all cleaned off. And we've got the new cable. So we're going to take the spring end here, feed it under the belt and this rod. We'll lock it in that hole right there. And then we're going to take this plastic bit here, and you'll see it's got this flexible piece of plastic. What we're going to do is drop it in a slot here and then just press it in until you hear it click. And the cable is now mounted to the deck. So let's put the deck back on the tractor and we'll hook it up at the top. Alright, so now with the new cable here, when we take that washer and the spring that we took off, we'll put the cable on here and the washer, and there's gotta kind of hold that pin down from above. Get the spring on that pin, and then go ahead and stretch that pin over, and there you go. You've got the cable on this end. And so then what we can do is right here, let's see if I can stretch it up through there. Alright, I'm going to put it back in this hole. Oh, there it is for you. Okay, so it drops in that hole like so. And what we'll do is we'll come down here and we'll put a cable tie right there, and we're back in shape. Alright, so there we are. The new cable is put in place. You've got it zip tied there. And normally there would be a cover right here, but this one seems to be missing. But the cable rolls around there, and so let's pull this lever. Alright, so there we are. Easy peasy.